to break your leg in Japan. Step 1. Go snowboarding in Appy. Step 2. Call wife. Hey babe, what's up?
So, I broke my leg. I'm in a hospital in Morioka.
Step 3. Get to Morioka, Japan. Oh, and don't forget important paperwork. Just got off the train and almost forgot some important paperwork. Got it. Make sure you get on the right train. I barely made the correct train. Step 4. Go to hospital in Morioka. But first, get some lunch. So, I just got to Morioka and I had to hit some food, so I stopped at the Conveni or 7-Eleven. Got some ramen and tomatoes. Time to go to the hospital. Bye. So, I got to the hospital and realized I forgot that freaking paperwork at the Conveni. I had to go back. Got it. Woo! I'm about to go see Mikey in the hospital. Konnichiwa.
Going on time. The worst time of the day.
Hi, Mama. Step 5. Share some funny stories. So when I got to the hospital, I had to take my temperature and misunderstood where it was supposed to go. And I put it in my mouth.
The thermometer.
The thermometer. And turns out it goes in your armpit. And it's a communal one.
Been translating. He filled out my forms.
And making sure he doesn't get milk.
Yes, every day, every meal. And also came down to rescue me while I was in the mountain to make sure that I made it here safely. So, Saito-san, Andy, everyone, you guys have been amazing. But thanks. Thank you for everything.
Step 6. Learn about the surgery and get cleaned up.
Now checking in with the paperwork. More fun pictures of what I'm going to be doing, which is basically being under anesthesia and inhaling oxygen. And then some details about the recovery for when I wake up.
Yay!
Scheduled for surgery. Let's do this. Shower time!
Shower time. Step 7. Say, "Ja, matane," and wait. Don't judge us. We had to eat at some point. We've officially been at the hospital for 1 week. Yay! Here's Michael. But 1 week later, he is now in a wheelchair.
That is amazing. Thank goodness.
Step 8. Begin physical therapy.
Rehab time. I'm in a thing called the machine. This is the only way they described it to me. I think that in Japanese means that torture. Nice.
Oh, don't be wasting any precious time now. Gotta shake it off. We all face the bad intentions up to you. Oh, you. Don't be giving them attention up to you. Why don't you walk now? You down, 'cause in the end you'll walk right by. We all face the bad intentions up to you. Oh, you. Don't be giving them attention up to you. Why don't you walk now?
Step 9. Pay the bill, say goodbye, and head home.
This has been a heck of an experience. I hope to never have to live it again. But if I did, I wish I'd be blessed to have as good of a hospital and good people around me.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, Don't
And there you have it. How to break your leg and recover in Japan in 9 steps. We practiced a skoshi bit of Japanese, navigated through a surgery in a foreign country, and learned that the medical staff at Morioka Hospital are psycho deaths. Ganbatte!